Hello there, Taylor with the Multi-Emperor Report. Spoiler alert, there's a bucket load of tornado warnings in effect for Louisiana and Mississippi right now. We will talk about that shortly. So, tropical cyclone-wise, there's a new tropical Cyclone Haley. However, that is not how that word is spelled. The good news with Haley, of course, Haley not expected to become too powerful. In fact, at max wind speed right now, 45 knots predicted to become, a non-issue soonish. But over here in the South Indian Ocean, we have a high chance of tropical cyclone formation in the next 24 hours per the JTWC, so quite possibly could be seen a new storm soon. So today, with severe thunderstorm weather for the US today, yes, so 30% chance of winds, 5% chance of hail, 10% chance of a tornado, with the additional threat of tornadoes being significant. That would be EF2 or greater tornadoes. So let's go back up here. So here are the mesoscale discussions in effect. So this is, of course, about the blizzard up north, and then this is about the tornado threat. So I think this tornado threat is supposed to just now be kicking off, and it's going to increase. So it's just, started up. But look at that. There's a whole bunch of tornado warnings in effect. Here is the tornado watch that's in effect. This thing actually expires at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, but there is probably going to be a new one issued, or obviously you should pay attention and find out. But here's the wind map for today. So this would be the potential of 58 mile per hour and greater winds, so as high as a 30% chance, mostly about Mississippi. Hail, not a huge threat today apparently, just the 5%. But then tornado-wise, you've got two things going on this map. Not only is there as high as a 10% chance of a tornado today, but then it is a black hatched area, which means where the 10% chance happens to be, because it doesn't always overlap. But anyway, so there's both a 10% chance of a tornado in this area and a chance of it being EF2 or greater. Now, that doesn't mean, of course, that EF2 and greater tornadoes aren't possible outside of that area. It means, though, that if an EF2 or greater tornado is going to happen today, it's more likely than not to occur in that area. So, yes, big tornado threat today. Look at that. That's just a whole bunch of tornado warnings all at once. So, yes, but, tomorrow and the day after it tapers off somewhat. So that's, well, not somewhat. It tapers off a whole bunch. 5% chance. Whole big area, but only a 5% chance. And then day 3, tinier, even still area with the 5%. So that's good. So, if we all survive today, it will be relaxed and groovy-ish for the next few days. SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of the screencast. WickedWix is WICKEDWX.com. Cyclone is CYCLOCANE.com. Where am I going? There we go. There's the active storm. That is it for today. Hopefully you are staying safe out there.